everybody, Chef Tovia here. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a delicious southern breakfast because it was highly voted for on the community tab on my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to make sausage biscuits in homemade gravy. Please don't forget to subscribe and you'll find the recipe in the description box under the video. So I'm going to show you guys how to make sausage and gravy, country sausage and gravy. I'm going to show you how to make it my way. I'm not a fan of it, but I'm making this for someone. Trying to figure out, show you guys how to make it. So I got 2 pieces of patty sausage. I'm just going to cook this. I'm going to be on medium heat. As this begins to thaw, we're going to take a wooden spoon and we're going to break the sausage apart. But we don't want to do this on too high heat because we want to render as much fat possible as we can from the sausage. So I'm going to crumble the sausage now. Still working on, medium heat. One more like medium low. And you see how the fat is beginning to render from the sausage? That's what we want. So I'm just going to keep crumbling this as I cook it until it's completely done. The sausage is completely done. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it. I'm just going to use some vegetable oil. And I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit. Then I have some. I'm going to push all the sausage to one side of the pan. Then I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour. I like to use a whisk just to move everything around. I tilt the pan a little bit to bring some of the fat from the sausage over to the opposite side of the pan. This helps make the roux smooth. So I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit. I'm going to go to about medium high. And I'm going to add some water. Because I'm going to use it to deglaze the pan. And I like to add it slowly, whisking constantly to make sure there's going to be no lumps in the gravy. I'm going to whisk this for a minute. Whisk out all of the lumps. For my country biscuits and gravy, my recipe, I like to use heavy cream. It gives it a bit of richness. I'm going to add my heavy cream. Or you can use half and half. But the heavy cream gives it much richness because we use water. I'm going to whisk all that together. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to this. You're not going to need much because sausage is really salty. And all of that salt from the sausage will go into the gravy. So just a pinch of kosher salt. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper to this. I'm going to whisk this until it's going to begin to thicken. Okay, so it's beginning to thicken. And I'm going to let this reduce just for a moment or two. So I'm going to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes more until it reduces. So this has been going for about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat off. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it up. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of coarsely ground black pepper. And when you let that cook for those 2 minutes, all that salt that's in the sausage is going to absorb into this beautiful country gravy. So let's plate this. I have my biscuits here, my homemade biscuits, and check the description box for the recipe. And I just use a square cutter because it just reminds me of this nice restaurant that existed here called Biscuit Kitchen, and they used to serve their biscuits in the shape of a square. Sadly, it's gone. But I like to stack them on top of each other that way, and then you see how much the gravy's thickened up. The beautiful thick country gravy. Going to just spoon that over those delicious homemade buttermilk biscuits. The beautiful country biscuits and gravy. And just take some parsley as garnish. I'm gonna give you guys a better view. So there you have it, delicious country gravy and biscuits. I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. Please add this video to your playlist and give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe with notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to love one another.